Hi guys, welcome to our channel Getfully, and today we're gonna see the quick unboxing of Realme C2 phone. Okay, that's the mid-range phone, almost cost 7,000 rupees, and this is the box. I just got it from Amazon, and let me unbox it. This is the package came via Amazon. It's too tough to remove, I think. And here is the package. This is the package, and this is the box. That's nice looking box. This is the box, and these are the sides, and this is the bill. This is the bill, and here just given 7,000 rupees. That's not clearly visible in the bill, so I got it for 7,000 rupees, 6,999 the exact price. Okay, let's unbox it. Here is one seal. And before that, I have to say something about this, some features of this. Here, backside of this box, they have given EMI codes are given, EMI numbers are given, and the manufacturing dates and the battery charge and some other specifications they have given. Actually, the RAM is 3 GB and the ROM the memory is 32 GB, and that's the spec, and which consists 4,000 mAh battery. That's really good, and 6.1 inch display, and let's see how it is. Let's unbox it. And that's the box. And here it is. And this is the, I hope we have the user manual, I think. Yes, of course, here the user manual given, and here the quick guide, and you can see something here. You can use this if you are not too much in depth of knowledge of this phone. That's it. And this is the phone. This is the phone, Realme C2, and it's not easy to pick up. And this is the phone without any damage. Let's see the phone after some time. We'll see what the accessories we get with this. And here's the charger, and here is the cable. This is a USB cable. It's too tight. The packing of these accessories is also very good from Realme. And see, this is normal USB charging cable. There is no C port. The quality of this charging cable is perfect. That's good. And here you can see the charger, and the specification is given 5-volt charger, 5 volt to 2 ampere charger they are given. So this is the only two accessories we will get with this. There is no the headphones is not there, and the tempered glass is not there, and the cover, nothing is along with this. There is only one charging cable and one charging adapter. That's that much only, and there is nothing else in the box. So let's move these box to there. So you have seen this. I'm moving this one also, and here the phone. The phone is, wow, the phone is really good. Oh, that's looking great. That's the design of this design pattern is just superb. That's looking really good. Really good means really good. And here we can see there's one front camera is there, and the speaker, two speakers are there, and here the switches given. Here this is the volume up button, and this is the down button, and here's the SD card and the SIM slot is given there, and here is the power button they provided. And while we see this, the side of this particular phone is made up with a metallic, but this back side of this phone is just fiber, just carbon fiber, I think. Yeah, of course. Yeah, but looking, that's superb. For 7,000 rupees, the view of this phone from outside or from anyone looks you while you calling, the phone looks like too premium, very premium, rich. So here one this is an all provided there, that's will remove it, and this is the exact view of this. And let's switch on this one, and here we can see two cameras. One is rear camera is 13 megapixel, and here the wide angle camera is 2 megapixel, and here we can see they are provided that the front camera is 5 megapixel with f2.0. And let's switch on this device. The first switch on of the Realme C2. Okay guys, while booting up, I have to say something about this phone. Really, the features of this phone, yeah, there is one Realme logo has came. The features of this particular phone, I'm just telling that this particular phone is made up with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal memory, expandable up to 256 GB. That's really brilliant and great job done by Realme. And the display is 6.1 inch HD plus display. That's also very good, and the display is looking premium. And the next one is 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera. That's the rear side. 13 plus 2 wide angle camera they have given, and the front camera is 5 megapixel. And the battery of this phone, that's we have to say 4000 mAh battery for 6.1 inch display phone. That maybe last up to maybe 2 days or 1.5 days, maybe that's according to your usage. So that's the thing. And the processor in this is MediaTek P22 octa core 2.0 gigahertz processor, and the dual nano SIM is provided here. We can put it, and especially there is face unlock is there. Unfortunately, there is no any fingerprint scanner along with it. You have to note there is no fingerprint scanner is available with it. Before you can see, I just reviewed the U-Ace phone, that the cheapest smartphone in India. I just unboxed it before, you can see from my videos. But in that phone, 3500 mAh battery, 3500 rupees, they are providing the fingerprint scanner. But this Realme, I don't know why but according to this price, this is one of the best phone. Let's see, let's skip it, this one and all. skip this one. Let me and here's the 6 color OS, and we are just getting into it. And finally, this is the Realme C2 phone, and see how it is looks like. This is an excellent phone. Looks like some notifications are coming. Just we get into there, and wow, that's Wi-Fi is connected, sorry. And so this is the menu, and here we can see all the things here, and there are some pre-installed apps are there. You can see UC browser is all along with this, and share, chat, theme store, and so Facebook is there, and some of the apps are already given there. There is no issues. And let's go to the phone, how it works with it. Let's see about the phone. And here the model RMX1941, and the color OS version is version 6.0, and the Android version is 9. Yeah, that's great. Processor octa core, and the RAM 3 GB, and device storage 32 GB is there, but there is only available memory is 21.6, almost 20 GB only available in this. Okay, so remember guys, that's the GB only available with this. And here's the versions and everything given there, you can see after that. And this is the Android version, and this is the Android Pie. Really they have done a great job here. That's really great. And while we coming to, we have to see the camera, and the camera is really, that's really wow. The camera is doing fantastic job here. 13 megapixel camera, the rear facing camera. There's nothing much problem with this. And the rear facing camera, and this one is at the light. The light is just opposite to that. That's why it's not much clear. So really, I just I'll review another review video I will put. In that I will explain the camera specification with of this one. But for 7,000 rupees, this phone does a great job. Realme does a great job here for 7,000 rupees. There's an amazing design there, and there are plenty of pros. There's a camera doing superb, and the face scanning, face unlock is there, and everything is there. But some cons, some disadvantages, I have to say that there is no fingerprint scanner, and there is only two accessories along with this. You may not have to give that earbuds and all, but the headset and all, but you may have to give. The Realme can do a little bit more, like they can give the cover, or they can give the tempered glass along with this, like that they can do. So this is the review of Realme C2 guys, and thank you for watching my video. This is from Getfully, and please like, share my channel, and please do subscribe our channel. This is from Getfully.